Good morning, YouTube. What's up? It's Thursday. It's 7:17. I'm gonna go warm up my truck. I got some frost on the window, but I wanted to show you a product. Since I'm working with 6mm worn out threads in the intake manifold, let me show you what I picked up. I picked up some other stuff too, but I just wanted to try this product or check this product out. This is from Rock Solid. All right, and then in the kit comes with the inserts. So let's flip. Hope you don't lose you here. So these are your inserts. You see that? All right. So it looks like black iron, which is fine, which is super strong, probably grade 8. And then here's the installation tool, which is pretty cool too, and it has slots in it. And then these slots on the end, right? So you slide your insert into there, and then you just thread this in. What this kit doesn't come with is the tap and die and the drill, or I'm sorry, the drill and tap for this setup, which is no big deal. I ordered some other stuff from Amazon that are the same style inserts, but they don't have these fancy little tabs on it, which makes it easy to make sure that you have a tool holder, you know, to thread it in with. The other ones just have like a little screwdriver slot set in it. And I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use, but I wanted to have plenty of ammunition when you're dealing with this stuff. But this was actually a pretty cool product. I'll show you a picture of it again. This is what the back looks like. All right, thanks for watching.